Now I'm going to do some practice shots. So, like I said, make sure your motion is slowed down and you're going perfectly from point A with the camera at the ball, hit the ball, point B with the butt of the racket like a camera at the ball. So, it helps to hit against the wall, and it helps at first to just slow down your motion and just hit it once and catch. So we go, ready position, point A, hit, point B, catch. Ready position, point A, hit, point B, catch. Now, as you start getting used to it, you can start hitting the ball back and forth. Just like I said, make sure you're doing all these different parts, and it helps to slow down the motion. So, ready position, point A, hit. Actually, you should slow it down a little bit more. So, try to hit it just once or twice, 3 times, but make sure you're doing all the steps.